Hi everybody, take your time down. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we're going to be making these cute little three-dimensional butterflies out of cardstock. You can make them out of any pattern cardstock you'd like. And they have little self-adhesive pearls, flat back pearls on them. These are just a few I made up earlier. I made them out of just plain color cardstock. I took my alcohol shimmer mist that I told you how to make on this channel earlier, and I sprayed some cardstock and made some shimmery color cardstock, which we're going to be making the butterflies out of today. They got a little bit of a shimmer to them. I don't know if you can tell on camera or not. Some I made a little bit of a splash color too, with a little bit of white. So you can do that if you like, or you can use any kind of pattern cardstock you like. Anything goes, so it's fine. We're going to be using these stamens. I have 1mm stamens that are very small, and these are 3mm stamens. I got these off of Amazon. I will link that below for you to check out if you like. I think they were like, I don't know, I'll link it down below. I think they were like $7, $8, maybe $9, something like that, for a big package of them. This one has 20 bundles, 1,700 pieces. This one has 900 pieces. The 1mm has 900 pieces, and the 3mm has 1,700 pieces. You get quite a bit, and they stretch quite far. But that's what we're going to be using the little stamens to make the antennae out of. So stamens are just little pieces of string that has little balls of like resin or something on the ends of them that make the little antennae. There's a couple more. See close up. Little focus. Focus. And you just bend them in half and glue them onto the back of the butterfly, and they make little antennas. Real quick and easy. So you're going to need a butterfly punch of any kind. Preferably don't get one that's intricate, that has little cuts on the inside of it, little intricate cuts, because you're not going to have anything to glue your flat back pearls onto. You can also use flat back rhinestones as well, but you're going to need something with a solid punch to it. So you're going to need that. You're going to need possibly a hot glue gun, maybe, if your pearls or rhinestones are not self-adhesive. You'll need a hot glue gun to stick them on. You might need a little pokey tool of some kind to help, and maybe if you want a bone folder to help fold the flower or fold the butterfly, you might need that as well. Other than that, we're all good. So go ahead and follow me down here on the desktop, and we'll get started. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is cut out your punches of butterflies in the color cardstock you want. So just cut out a couple of them. Cut out a couple of them. Have them ready. Once you have all your butterfly punches punched out, you're going to go ahead and you're going to need 2 butterflies for each. You're going to need 2 butterflies for each butterfly you're going to need. So you're going to do, you're going to see where the body of the butterfly is here, and you're going to fold your butterfly on the side of the body on each side. You're going to fold the wing on one of your cuts so that and you're going to crease it on both sides of the body so that it stands up like this. And there's a little gap in there that you can fit your rhinestones or pearls on. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to take your hot glue gun. You're going to run a small bead of glue down the body of the flat one. And you're going to put the other one, you're going to put it body to body. Push down, use your tool, your little pokey tool or whatever, and smooth it down so that it adheres really well. Press the wings up. There you go, there's that. And you're going to get your stamen, color of your choice. So I'm going to choose the 1 millimeter, and I'm going to choose pink, because butterfly's pink. You're only going to need 1 stamen per butterfly. You're going to take your stamen, fold it in half, and pinch the end. You turn your butterfly over. You're going to run a bead of glue on the back side on the body. Stick your stamen down in it. And twist your stamen so that it's sitting correctly on the butterfly. And you may want to put some extra glue on it to hold it down. Let that hot glue cool, and you'll have something like this. Let that hot glue cool really well. You do another butterfly in the meantime. You do this orange one. I'm going to fold the body, crease it, fold the body, crease it, run your bead of hot glue down the body, body to body, push down on it so it adheres well. I'm going to get an orange stamen, 1 millimeter as well. Turn the butterfly over, fold your stamen in half, pinch it, dot of glue on the back, put your stamen in the glue, you want to put a little extra glue on the back, make sure it holds. Let that cool. Now the pink one's dry. Going to come on the front. I'm going to use these rhinestone gems variety pack that I got from CVS a while ago. I got these pink gemstones. I'm going to use the round ones. And I'm going to adhere 2 to the top of the butterfly, 2 to the bottom wing of the butterfly. Like so. 2 to the top of the butterfly, 2 to the bottom of the butterfly, like so. Then I'm going to put 2 in the middle of the body. Puff the wings back up, like so. And there you have your butterfly. I'm going to take this gold trim here I have, this really small gold trim. Going to line the butterfly wing on the top. And on the bottom. And I'm going to line the body. And my little butterfly. Okay, I'm going to make 3 more, and we're going to time lapse it so you can follow along and make your own butterflies. And there you have it. Little butterflies made out of cardstock, little rhinestones and pearls, little hot glue, and some stamens. Stamens are a quick and easy way to make butterflies. They're a quick and easy way to add the centers of flowers. They're a quick and easy way to embellish anything. They're just a quick and ingenious little way, and they cost a little bit of nothing. So there you have it, folks. Little bitty baby butterflies. Little bitty baby butterflies. Here's one we made. Here's one we made. Here's another one. And there's one. Well, and they're three-dimensional. That was the tutorial for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Everybody take care. Have a great one. And hey, while you're at it, why don't you subscribe to the channel? Leave a link or leave a comment down below and let me know how you're doing. Let me know if I'm doing all right. And let me know what you're up to lately. Click the like button. Clicking the like button really helps my channel grow and supports me. Share the video on other social media outlets, and click the notification bell and click all so you know when I have a new video that's uploaded or when I go live. That really helps my channel as well. So supporting me is a really big deal for me. I'm not a very big channel at this time, and it helps me to grow and reach more people on YouTube and allows me to grow my audience. So if you would like to support me, that's the best way you can, by clicking the like button, subscribing, clicking the notification bells, and sharing my content on other social media outlets. That's the best way you can support me at this time. So I would really appreciate it if you take a time to do that, and thank you very much. And with all that being said, y'all have a wonderful night, and we'll catch you on the flip side.